Hello everyone, my name is Vishruth from Group 9 and with me are Hamad, Viraj, Aradhya and Gaurav. And today, let's have an insightful look into the technology 3D and 4D printing. So first, 3D printing or additive manufacturing. So 3D printing is like building stuff layer by layer, but instead of removing layers, we add layers with the help of materials such as plastic and metals to make shapes. So it's the fastest way to make new things and even create stuff that's made just for you, like special medical parts or super light airplane pieces. So basically, if you can draw it on a computer, the 3D printer can help it make it real, bit by bit. So moving into 4D printing, it's a bit like 3D printing, but the stuff we make can change after it's printed. So we use special smart materials here that can change things around them, like with the help of heat or water. So imagine something that you've printed but can fold itself or change its shape when it gets wet. So these materials are designed to do so, and it can also build things themselves or change depending on what's happening around them. It's like giving life with what we printed little by little. So this is just a few introduction points on 3D and 4D, and let's see how this can help in the business aspect.
Hello, this is Rana Hamad here, and I'm going to talk about the business model pattern that are going to be affected by 3D and 4D technology. So first, talking about mass customization, and the biggest brand that we have, as an example, is Adidas Futurecraft 4D. So Adidas has made a pair of joggers out of 3D and 4D technology, and like just imagine that, whatever you feel like is your preference, is your want, or is your need, the brands can actually do it for you just because they can with the help of 3D and 4D technology. So the second business model pattern that I would like to talk about is the crowdfunding. So Azure Printed Homes initiated $4.2 million crowdfunding on the basis of 3D model printed house. So imagine that how easy it would be if you are actually presenting your prototype in front of the audience from whom you're trying to raise the funds, and it becomes practically possible for them as well to incorporate that what sort of business it's going to be like, and hence the crowdfunding is going to be much more easier with the 3D technology as compared to it was previously.
Hi, my name is Gaurav, and I'll be talking more about impact on business model patterns due to 3D printing and 4D printing innovation. So imagine needing a complex part for an aircraft or a prototype for a new product. Traditionally, you'd either wait for weeks of production or invest in costly equipment. But what if you could simply subscribe to a 3D printing service instead? That's exactly what companies like HP, Stratasys, Boeing, and GE are doing, shifting to a servitization and subscription-based model. Instead of selling expensive 3D printers, they offer 3D printing as a service, allowing businesses to print parts on demand without any major upfront cost. How is this beneficial? It's cost efficient, sustainable revenue, and faster innovation and improved supply chain agility. Another model where this is being affected with innovation of 3D printing is, let's have a scenario where if we could manufacture complex parts exactly where they needed, eliminating long supply chains and delays. That's the power of decentralized and on-demand manufacturing. Instead of relying on massive and centralized factories, companies like Rolls-Royce and Airbus are adopting localized 3D printing hubs for aerospace components. Similarly, in the automotive industry, is leveraging on-demand 3D printing spare parts, reducing the need for large warehouse stocked with inventory. How is this impacting the business? There's no more long supply chain delays. There's lower inventory cost and empowering local manufacturing. This shift is more than just about efficiency. It's about reinventing the way manufacture. By bringing production closer to demand, businesses cut costs, reduce waste, and ensure faster innovation. The future of manufacturing isn't in massive factories, it's in smart, localized, and agile production networks. Thank you.
Now let's see how this technology is affecting the business model of Autodesk. Autodesk is a US-based software company known for its role in computer-aided designing, or CAD. It offers a wide range of tools for industries including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, construction, aerospace, and healthcare. It is also at the forefront of 3D and 4D printing, generative design, and cloud-based technology. Now let's see how this technology is helping Autodesk in value creation. The 3D and 4D printing technology have expanded Autodesk's offering from traditional CAD software to end-to-end digital manufacturing solution. Platforms like Fusion 360 integrate design, simulation, and manufacturing together, making Autodesk not just a design software provider, but a fully digital prototyping platform. This expands Autodesk's role in value chain and customer retention. Speaking about the new market and customer segments, Autodesk tool for additive and generative design opened doors for new markets such as advanced manufacturing, healthcare, and aerospace, helping the company to cater a wider customer base. Speaking about enabling innovation, with 3D and 4D printing capabilities, Autodesk enable customer to design highly customized, lightweight, and smart products using smart materials and simulation tools. In this way, Autodesk help customer to be more innovative, making its platform stand out from others in the industry.
Well, looking into the value capture by Autodesk, Autodesk captures value through the subscription-based business models, offering a cloud-based tools like Fusion 360 and NetFab for the 3D and 4D printing solutions. It also forms strategic partnership with industries like automotive, aerospace, and even the healthcare, ensuring a long-term revenue while expanding its influence in the additive manufacturing field. And if we look into the value delivery by Autodesk, it delivers value by optimizing design and production through the AI-driven generative design and the cloud-based workflows. This actually allows the businesses to reduce the material waste, enhance customization, and streamline manufacturing, making like the on-demand production and sustainability more accessible. And if we look into the whole question, like how Autodesk is using 3D and 4D printing, the company actually plays a crucial role in advancing 3D and 4D printing technologies. It creates value through smart design tools and innovation. Like it also captures value via its subscription models and strategic partnership, and delivers value by offering efficient and sustainable and like collaborative manufacturing solution to the businesses. As industry continue to adopt additive and smart material technology, Autodesk obviously remains at the forefront, shaping the future of the digital manufacturing. That's it from our side. Thank you so much.